What the fuck, man? So let's test Activa from here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can see, this is a new Activa 5G. Sorry, it's not as new, it's an old Activa, almost 2 years back Activa. Today I have chosen this Activa 5G because in 2020, so this I have chosen because of the value of the bike. So you can see, even today in 2020, the value of the bike 5G in second-hand market also in the new, you can see 6G also not there that much value. So you can see this 5G. So why this craze bike have that much value of money? So today let's go and see. So as you can see here, the steel chrome grill, 2 grills, and this is a rubber finishing, and you can see rubber finishing came here. And the mudguard quality also, as you can see, the quality of mudguard better than 6G. So that's why the value of the mainly first reason is the quality, the metal quality, with thickness of the metal, which has been not there in 6G. So that's why this 5G has most value. So as you can see, these are the suspension of front tire, and I don't like this suspension because this is a minus point in all generations of Activas, because with this suspension many of the accidents are done because the suspension was wrong. This suspension should be single shock absorber suspension, single monopole suspension, then only the accident and the skid of the bike in rainy season and in other roads, this bike will be stabilization will be good. So as you can see, the tire profile is 90 110. This is a 10 inches tires. As you can see, low, this is a from the 5 generation, the same profile tire has been continuing. Sorry friends, the vehicle has dusty. So first is first, number plate has half only. Here you can see running LED DRLs. As ignition ons, you can see this V-shape light. This is a 5G, I think you can say in 5G signature of the light. And as you can see, LEDs in headlight. As you can see, LEDs in headlight, but missing out is the indicators are bulbs. There is no LEDs in indicators. And let's go to this. The disc brake is missing in this vehicle. As you can see, these are the drum brakes, combo brakes, but it is a plus point of drum brakes is combo brake, so that some of the accident will be less. And as you can see, combo brakes, this is a front brake and this is a rear brake. Let's go to side profile. As you can see, the space of boot, luggage, etc. for all scooters, but this is a plus point of Activa 5G. And as you can see, this is 110cc. As you can see, this is 110cc, and this is silencer. As from 5 generation, the silencer of design also same. The rear tire profile comes at 90 110 SMS front tire, and you can see here one radium light, and tail light design has changed as sharp. As 6G it became some more sharp. Next we can see here the cc of engine, 110cc, and this is almost, I think, most pickup and speed engine. As we can see from the last generations, this is a better engine than the 4G, 6G. 5G is a good and best in the engine work. And as you can see in the dashboard, here is a pass light, focus, and these are the indicators. Horn is decent. This is, so she is learning bike, okay. And the seat comfort is awesome, I would say. 2 members can easily sit. The pillion seat also a good, not so height for ladies and kids. This is the best scooty, I can say. This is a successful 5 generation scooty. I can say that from 1st generation to 5th generation, this is a almost successful generation completed the Honda Activa. So as you can see here, kill switch, ignition on, seat. Here the especially that as 5G came as seat opening button and off and handle lock. So here is a Honda logo, and this is in this 5G we can see as two variants, deluxe and a standard variant. This is standard variant. For both of standard and deluxe, as you can compare, at 2000 difference it can be. So this is side view mirror, and here is a tire temperature, tire information of temperature, how to maintain. So you can see, and here is a choke of the vehicle, so that in winter season it can be most helpful. Here is a double stand and also a single stand. So here is a fuel lid. It carries about 3.5 liters of fuel, and here is a boot space. I think this is 20 liters of boot space. So friends, mainly I have choose this vehicle of 5G today in 2020 because due to the quality and the value and the stabilization. So in all around 6G comparison, the 5G is better than 6G today in second-hand market value. As you can see, the 5G value has more than 6G value. Pickup and Newton meters of torque and the power of a vehicle, you can see 5G has more power than 6G. 5G is better than 6G. I will review the 6G video also soon. So you can see this is a 5G value in market all over India. Today 5G value is more comparison to other scooters like Ntorq. The competition for all scooters, the 5G stands first. So till in 2020 also, after 3 years, this vehicle has a more value and the more value for money. So let's check road test. What the fuck, man. So let's test Activa from here. Wow, super suspension, as you can see. So you can see in monsoon season, as dirty and dangerous roads also it can be powerful. Bella, Bella, come here. So guys, you can see as Activa 5G off-road test. Let's go and see the value of Activa 5G. I have give full throttle so that the speed and pickup, you can see what the speed and how the pickup, so that this is a value of 5G. Yes, as you can see, 70, 80, so guys, this is a value of Activa 5G better than 6G. Due to this reason, the Activa 5G are still the market. Of the market also has rumbled that Activa's 5G is better in all the way, so that the build quality and the test drive and the pickup and the Newton meters of torque, so that this 110cc performs as good as compared to other scooters and motorcycles. So once again, let's overtake all the vehicles with Activa 5G. So let's say brake test. As you can see, brakes are performing super, as if when disc brakes is not there, but also with the drum brake it can be managed as disc brake. Due to this dual combo brake, it can be managed that both the brakes are performing awesome, front and the rear brakes. Due to these brakes, we can control as speed as possible, but only in the monsoon season we can see that it has some problem with the front brake with the 5G, so that in 6G it has came disc brake. So as you can see, within 3 to 4 minutes I have reached almost 4 kilometers. As per that, for 1 kilometer it is performing as 1 minute, as it is performing as 1 kilometer. So that you can see this is the value of the 5G as today in 2020. So that everyone are recommending that 5G is better due to in price segment, quality segment, pickup, engine, cc, mileage. But there is a one problem that as new as 5G or 6G, any scooter, it won't get mileage that much as expected from the company set. So that there is a one solution for this mileage is that you should have wait for 1 year so that the engine would perform better and the mileage will give the better result. So that the engine oil should completely rewind the engine, and then only the mileage will get from the scooter as 5G or any scooters. And also you should complete the all 4 to 5 free servicings, then only you can get the good mileage as 50. And this scooter is giving me 50 kilometers per 1 liter, and you can see the speed test is excellent performance in scooters. If you're carrying a pillion seat as other second person also, this performance gives no doubt it will give the same result as now as if someone is sitting backside. So you can see this DRS, LED DRS are performing super white LED DRS in 2020 or in 2019. We need almost all DRS in all bikes. The comfort of the vehicle is awesome, as we can see. As per today, this market value of 5G is more due to these reasons, and many of my friends are requesting that they want 5G in 6G also because of same reasons. And also you can see the price segment is, but as per today in second-hand market value, this value get of 1 year old 5G vehicle as 52 to 53,000, so that it has a resale value. What can we get from the scooter as resale value this much? So you can be blindly, you can take the 5G vehicle, so that it has a, as is the street riders, it short journeys like daily short journeys in cities, there will be no risk as scooters. In the best scooter is a 5G, Activa 5G. There is no sponsorship for me to saying the 5G as this much, but I have experienced the 5G vehicle from the many years. So as a person, I have experienced a 5G vehicle. I know the value of 5G compared to 6G. There is only some features I have missed out in from the 6G as 5G, so there is no problem in that. So let's do one more time watch the speed test. Brakes are performing super awesome. As I should have controlled that from the 80 kilometers to 50 kilometers, it took for me 3 seconds to brakes, and the control system is excellent. The only thing you have to control is you should know how the braking system is performing in Activa 5G and how to control the Activa vehicles or any other scooters. You should be control both the brakes as combo brakes. You should press both at a time. You should not press front brake mode or rear brake mode. You should give the pressure of the brakes equally as both brakes. Then only you can control the vehicle of scooters. As you can see the suspension and also a shock absorber, so that it has better performance of shock absorbers also. Rear and the front shock absorbers performing super. As I can give this 10 out of 8 in 2020 Activa 5G rating. So friends, this is my video of Activa 5G in 2020. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. So thank you friends watching my video. Thank you so much.